Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Zach here with Specialist, and we're in a brand new 2025 Genesis Vortex here for some warranty work. A couple of the concerns real quick that we'll go over is outside speakers aren't working. So Zach's pulled the cover, tested the voltage, checked ohms to see if everything's working there, if we're getting power. During removing the radio that's in here, we found that the video RCA cable was snapped off, broken, and bent inside, so stuck in the unit itself, and then that's a completely different issue. Then also the sound for the outside for the zone, you said zone 3? Yeah, zone 3 is in up, so it's not even putting out any volume toward that or sound. We also found the panel back here behind the refrigerator is coming loose, so the only way to get to that is to go ahead and remove it. And I think what's happening is when they're walking in here, they're hearing the panel creak and pop and make noise. Then up here in the bathroom area, there was a broken wheel at the bottom of the door, so that one right there, and there's actually the piece that's broken. So we're going to submit for that as well. And then I'm not going to go into the back because the lights are off, and I'm not sure where the light switch. Oh, there it is. So there's a panel, access panel back here that he has to get into, that the connections for the water, there was a water leak issue. And I guess the customer went ahead and temporarily fixed it for now. I don't know if it's something related to the sink or if it was something related to the shower, but we'll get more info on that. But anyway, stay tuned for more. Again, this is Dustin, California Specialist, and I'll go outside and give you a quick look of what this unit is. And I said it's here for manufacturer warranty. And it is a Vortex, and it's a 3317 VXL. It's actually a really nice looking unit, and it's a toy hauler. This company's based out of the LA area. And so again, it's here for some warranty work. So anyways, if you have a Genesis RV or Genesis Supreme, make sure you check out our YouTube channel as well as our playlist, where we're going to start posting videos and pictures of things that we're coming across so that you guys can see it. Hopefully it'll help you if there's a issue or problem. We also have a Facebook group that's called Genesis Supreme RV Owners, Maintenance and Repairs in the RV Shop with Dustin. So check that as well as we start to work on these more warranty work. We'll post like problems that we're finding, fixes that we do. We encourage you as a consumer to go ahead and do the same. List anything that you're having problems with or working on, so that we can, have a database that's outside, so that we can figure out, how to better help each other. All right. Well, hey, thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more. Again, this is Dustin, RV Specialist at California RV Specialist in Lodi, California. Thanks again for watching.